everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate avocado pudding. Before you exit and go, oh, no thank you, just wait. If you've ever had like a really decadent sort of mousse type pudding, you'll love it. You cannot taste the avocado, I promise. And the great thing about avocado is because the fat content in it, yes, there's fat, so don't be scared of it. The fat content in the avocado will help to keep you full and will keep you from craving other foods. So if you're someone in the evening that tends to get a lot of snack cravings, I mean, this is a great recipe I'll give my clients because it's quick and it's effective and they'll enjoy it. They'll actually sit down and be like, oh, this is amazing. And then they'll stop craving other foods and they'll get rid of that, whatever they were craving. So it fills you up really, really quickly. We know that's a good thing about fat. So anyway, so enjoy this video.